Todd again here with hunting tools. This is another Amazon find. Alright, so this is by a company called Swanlake. I don't have any of the paperwork here with me, but I believe this is a set of this SAE and metric. So here we go. You got this cool little package here. You just roll it all up right like so. You got these cool straps, and boom, you got your wrenches. Okay, so let's check out the quality here. Now, granted, I believe this set was maybe, oh man, I think it was 40 or 50 bucks. I'm using the phone that I ordered with, so that's not going to help us out too much. So, let's take a look. We do have a nice size range from quarter all the way to inch. So we've got a good supply here of tools. So let's look at the quarter. Chrome. It looks a little bit heavy. It's a very light wrench, but there you go. There's a Swanlake. It doesn't seem like it's cut very smooth. You can see how heavy the plating is. So I don't think these will really last that long. But I'll just add another wrench selection to the collection just to see. But they are a lightweight. It is a standard shorter length compared to like a Craftsman Pro or a Snap-on Pro. You know, any of your big names, Cornwall, Matco, etc. But they seem like they're decent. We're gonna give them a try. We'll see how they do. You know, I was just kind of curious. They look like they're a decent price. So, but definitely a little bit shorter wrench. I've got an older companion set that Sears used to sell. That's on my work truck, and you know, that's a pretty decent set. I'll give you a comparison. I bought a newer work truck, and they left a wrench in the truck for me. And this is a very nice wrench. This is a Craftsman Pro 7/8. So we're going to give you that size comparison difference on length. It's pretty drastic. All right, here we go. So yeah, there's my reflection there. So there's camera can't even quite do it justice. It's so drastic. So there you go. There's the 7/8. It doesn't even fit in the camera screen, and then there's the Swanlake one. So probably, you know, you might get this set really more for a kid. The heft is definitely different compared to a Craftsman. It's not a bad weight. It's really not. And thankfully, the edges, like this, actually does have a little bit more squared of an edge, where you might actually, it's not as rounded right around here. And I'm surprised, actually, this is more rounded out, so it could be a couple reasons. It could be it's too heavy chromed, or, you know, it could just be it's a better finish, potentially. Thankfully here, for being able to smack it on certain areas to break things loose, it does seem to be well rounded as well. And I think that'll do fine for, you know, certain heavy projects. So just an interesting comparison there. Definitely a cheap set. Kind of a neat way to package them. I have not seen it this way before. There's all your metrics. And that's what's kind of nice too, is it is a complete set, which is, you know, I figured that was kind of one thing. A lot of these GM trucks, they have like oddball, you know, sizes for the front end and for the rear, and so that's kind of what I wanted, was just instead of buying separate wrenches, you know, it's got the 20s, 21, 22, and that's some big number stuff for working on the GM 1500, 2500 trucks. So that was kind of one reason I bought the set, just to have a complete metric sizes. You got your 16, which is kind of oddball, but just believe it or not, you do see it, and your other sizes as well. So there you go, Swanlake wrench selection. See how that chrome's kind of dented along there. It's kind of a weird finish. It's just cheap finish. We'll see how long they last. I think there's actually some pitting already started as it sits in the garage. See how wrinkled it is right there? So yeah, you can feel a weird texture. So I don't know. We'll try to keep you posted on how they wear, but so far Very interesting. Neat packaging. All right, later.